Hey guys, Diver Don here, and this is the new OrcaTorch D530 handheld dive light. The folks over at OrcaTorch sent a couple more lights for me to review, including this one, the D530. It's powerful enough to be a primary dive light for any recreational dive, boasting over 1,000 lumens, and it's compact enough, as you can see, where it can be used as a backup light. They also sent me a new D570 GL, which has a green laser built in. That one looks pretty neat. I'll go over that one completely separately in a different video. The D530 is not yet available for purchase. This is a sample for testing, as you can see right here on the back. I don't know if you can read that. Sample, not for sale. But perhaps by the time I do my in-water test video, it will be available. In fact, it came in a plain brown box, which suggests to me that OrcaTorch has not yet got their packaging that they want for this. So it may have different components with it when you buy yours. Mine came with the owner's manual and registration card for the warranty. You want to fill that out. It also came with a nice brochure, which shows you some of the other offerings that OrcaTorch has, some of their other lights, which is kind of nice. Came with 3 spare O-rings. I'll show you this one as I take it down. It has 3 O-rings in it. It's nice to have spares. A USB charge cable, lanyard, wrist lanyard. It didn't come with a charger because it has a USB port on the battery, so you can charge it right here. It's kind of neat. Take a look inside. Breaks down here in the middle, and as you can see, there are 3 O-rings. Positive side up, battery goes in positive side up, and then you close it. Those 3 O-rings will keep out all the water, no water intrusion. Now we're going to try a cold water battery test. We're going to see how long the light will shine in its high setting in fairly cold water. What we experience up here in Lake Superior is often pretty cold. This water is at 37, 38 degrees. I had it sitting outside my back door. And I'm going to use my phone as a timer. I'm going to turn the phone on, turn the light on. It's high setting, 1050 lumens is what it's rated for, and it's supposed to give us an hour and 50 minutes in the high setting. So I'm going to let this run for just shy of that. Here we're at 1 hour and 40 minutes. We're going to stop it here, and we're going to see what the indicator tells us on the light switch. Again, the titanium alloy light switch has an LED. When the battery has a 70 to 100% charge, it'll be green. When it's between 30 and 70%, that indicator will be orange. When the battery is less than 30%, between 10 and 30%, it'll be a constant red. Below 10%, it starts blinking red. So let's see what the battery is at right now. I'm pretty sure it'll be a solid red or a blinking red. So here we are, 1 hour 40 minutes, just 10 minutes shy of the rating, maximum rating. And the light's still on, as you can see, and it is a solid red. So we're anywhere between 10 and 30% battery right now. That's pretty good for 38-degree water. For it to last that long, that's great. So for my first dive with the OrcaTorch D530, I'll be using it with this OrcaTorch soft Goodman handle, which I picked up recently. Comes in handy, and as you'll see, it's got an impressive 5-degree angle beam. It's very tight focused, and with that 1050 lumen rating, it really reaches out. Overall, I like the design and the feel of this light. It fits nicely in your hand, and like my other OrcaTorch lights, it's made with high quality, high strength aluminum. If you've been diving as long as I have, you probably owned one or two of those big brand plastic lights. They've been on the market for years and they were okay at the time. They worked fine. However, the newer dive lights are much higher quality and so much brighter than them older dive lights. This light measures under 6 inches in length. It weighs less than 7 ounces. It doesn't take up a lot of room in your dive bag. It's pretty light, easy to travel with. There's a lot of other specs that I could throw out at you, but I'm just going to put them in the links in the notes below, including a link to OrcaTorch website. I think I mentioned that earlier. I'll also include a link to Amazon where you can pick up a dive light if you have someone, a scuba diver on your wish list for Christmas, for example. There'll be some links down below for that. Now, if you haven't already subscribed, I'd appreciate if you do so. Leave a like if you like the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions about the light. As always, guys, thanks for watching and dive safe.